Hina turns a fall into a power statement on the ramp in a moment that truly defined courage under spotlight. Hina, recently diagnosed with breast cancer, walked the ramp at Bombay Times Fashion Week for the brand Kia. Despite stumbling twice during her walk, the actress picked herself up each time with poise, never letting the brief slip dim her radiant smile. Her calm resilience and unwavering confidence were not just runway moments, they were statements of strength. Her look, maximalist elegance with a fierce edge for her runway appearance. Hina wore a striking embroidered jacket that blended artistry with opulence. Adorned with intricate floral beadwork and dense thread embroidery, the jacket echoed a maximalist mood, with a sophisticated mix of bright and muted hues that harmonized beautifully. Nana post shared by Lakshmikant Rai Laxmikant Pablunan. The look was paired with a dramatic black floor-length skirt, complete with subtle pleats, a voluminous flare, and a bold thigh-high slit. The fusion of structure and fluidity in the silhouette added drama without overshadowing the jacket's intricate detailing. Hina accessorized with a balanced mix of metals, opting for silver in her mangtika, statement necklace, and bracelet, while letting her golden heel subtly contrast and elevate the look. Her hair was styled into a dainty bun with soft, face-framing curls that kept the focus on her ensemble and expressions. Her makeup was minimal yet polished, letting her confidence and inner strength be the loudest accessory. Style takeaways from Hina's runway moment. Want to recreate this strong meet stylish aesthetic? Here are a few styling tips. Mix metallics confidently, blend gold and silver for a balanced, high-fashion finish. Maximalist jackets can elevate any outfit. Look for hand-embroidered or beaded options for special occasions. Pair heavy upperwear with a clean silhouette below, like a black skirt with subtle drama or a thigh-high slit for contrast. Let your hair complement your outfit. Opt for neat buns or styled curls to strike the right balance between elegance and edge. Swipe left for next video. Make confidence your best accessory, owning the look with presence and grace can outshine any stumble. Hina's Fashion Week appearance wasn't just about style, it was about spirit. In every step, she walked not just for a brand, but for strength, resilience, and the power of moving forward no matter what. Latest blogs.